What now, Father, what? The road ahead so dark. Some say you're in control. I don't know. Save me from this noise, the vulture symphony. My prayers like pennies fall and rattle back to me. You're my only help. Won't try to kill this pain. No, I will not turn back, even if you've turned away. My enemies, they dance their hollow victory. They drape their wrinkled flags round gallows built for me. What now, Father, what? And what were all my dreams? Just bubbles made to burst. Where are all my friends? Now that's what really hurts. Give me back my hope. Help my broken faith. Got nowhere else to go. On your rescue I will wait. Will you rescue me like you always do? God of ages, I will wait on you. Will you break these chains? Will you calm the sea? Shut the lion's mouth. Will you remember me? You will rescue me like you always do. God of angels, I will wait on you. You will break the chains. You will part the sea. Shut the lion's mouth. You will remember me. What now, Father? What? I know you have a plan. You wouldn't leave me here, steps from the promised land. What now, Father? What? What else would I be blasting?